everything was on sale. Like everything in this haul was on sale, because if it ain't on sale, then don't buy it now.
I told you what the rip.
So yeah, I'm gonna do like a quick haul of just random things that I've been getting or I got recently. Real quick, like it's like really small, I think. Anyways, I'm gonna start with NYX. So they sent me my stuff in this little cute black bag, which I thought was nice. Oh, because like you could use this for other stuff, you know. So I just the main reason I even ordered from NYX was because I've been really wanting yellow eyeshadows. Like yellow eyeshadow. Like I've been looking everywhere for like just yellow shadows, and I didn't want to buy a whole palette just for 2 colors because I want yellow and red. NYX just happened to be having a sale on like the singles, and so if you bought 4, you got them for $12, and you get it with the little palette case. What do you call this? The customizer thing. You use it to hold the stuff. It came with this. I feel so bad. This on its own is $5, but if you did the 4 for $12, then you pretty much got this for free. So yeah, I was just like, you know what, let me do it, because I really want yellow eyeshadow, and like literally that's the only color I wanted, so I ended up getting 3. They all look the same. Okay, they don't look the same, but they're just mad similar. So these are the 3 that I got. I couldn't figure out like the 4th shade to get. I didn't want another yellow, so I got Frisky, which is like a burnt rusty orange. Look, see, they're not the same. I feel better now. The only reason I got the rest of the stuff is because I was just trying to get free shipping, so I ended up getting another lip gloss, which I'm kind of bummed about because like I thought it was gonna be a sheer, like their butter gloss, because I have their butter gloss and I really liked it, but it's not. This is like actually kind of opaque, and it's like so pink. Like it's not my color at all. I feel like I could get away with it. It's not bad. Okay, and then I end up getting 2 of the Studio concealers. I heard they were dupes, kind of like dupes for which one? NARS Creamy Radiant. What? NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer. I feel like these aren't creamy though. Like this is liquidy, like compared to my LA Girl. And when I tried this, it was just liquidy to me. So it's different, but so far it's not bad. Next is, oh, let's show you guys what I got for free. If you know your girl, Notorious KIA, Notorious Kia on YouTube, she hooked us up with a free, like, what, referral thing. So I think it's almost over, like beginning of April. So I'll put a video in the description box so that you can get one hopefully. But it's pretty much just this little mini set from L'Occitane. I honestly don't even know how to pronounce this. I think it's L'Occitane, but it comes with a shower oil, which I'm kind of iffy about because I like lather. Like I like things to make bubbles when I'm cleaning. The fact that this is just an oil, it's kind of like, am I clean? I don't know. And then it comes with a moisturizer. I'm reading the wrong side. I'm reading the French side like I know French. It comes with a moisturizing cream and then a bar soap, which I love so far because I haven't used any of it yet, but it smells so good. It just smells like lemon, like citrusy. Oh, NYX gave me stickers. I like stickers. I feel like I could put one on a phone case. Like, I like this one. I did buy from Fenty. Fenty Puma, not Fenty Beauty. I will have a separate video on that though, so I'm not gonna feature it in this video. But it was on sale too. I finally went to Primark. And Primark, if you don't know, is like a UK based store. It's kind of like a H&M, Forever 21. It reminds me of Cotton On though, if you know what Cotton On is. And to be honest, I was kind of disappointed because I felt like they be hyping Primark on YouTube. Or maybe it's just because the location, like maybe in the UK they have nicer stuff and more of a selection, but when I went it was kind of like eh. But I did get 2 things, actually 4 things, but they're pretty small things. Alright, so look, before you even come for me, because I know that I have this thing where I buy things that look like things that I already have, or I'll buy like the same thing in different color, or like the same style. I don't know, I'm weird, but like this is different from what I have. So this is a cute little bag, and yes, I do have bags with this O-ring. My school bag is one, but this is bigger. Obviously this one is small, you know, this is silver, this one is gold, you know, so it's different enough, you know, it's different. You could try to get me with this too, but you can't because this doesn't have a long strap. This I can only hold like this or like that, but with this one I can hold it like this, or I can hold it on my shoulder, which I very much do prefer. This was only $5. Come on now, what do you mean? What do you mean? Like, duh. I feel like this is really sturdy for a $5 bag. Even $12, like the regular price, $12. It's pretty good. It's a mini like pocket bag, pocketbook bag, and it's yellow. Like, look at this. Hello. It's mad bright. I feel like it's good for spring. Ooh, spring and summer and all that jazz. This is the first thing I saw and I was like, you know what, this is good. This is a good price. I'm getting this. And this was also $5, regular price. So imagine like how much this would cost if it was on sale. The last 2 things were just these sets of earrings. I'm wearing one right now, and at first I saw it and I was like, no, I don't need it. And then like right when we were about to leave, like about to go to the registers, I was like, you know what, I need it. It's only $1. Like, they're each only $1. And I was just standing there like, which one? Which one? Which one? Like, I legit wanted to take some out and put it in the other one and just switch them. And I'm like, you doing too much, honey. It's $1. And I like the designs on these. These are different. So, not bad. So that's everything for Primark. I also only got 4 things from Forever 21, but I love all 4 of them. So this sweater, crop top, was like, I don't remember. I think I'll put the prices down here if I feel like it. But I really like the stripes and the colors, like the mustard and the burgundy and all that. And it's thick too. This does show a lot of boobage, you know, but that's okay. It just reminds me of like the 90s or one of those decades. And then I got another sweater crop top. For what reason? I don't know, because it was cute. I don't know, it crosses over. This one is really short, but I would be fine wearing this with like really high-waisted mom jeans, stuff like that. Summertime. Well, summertime, can I get away with this in the summer? Maybe at like night. I feel like I could get away with this at night in the summertime because it gets cold. And I got this little random skirt. This autofocus, it's not even autofocus, but it's kind of annoying. So this random skirt, I don't know, I thought it was really cute. It says 1995, although I'm not in 1995, but close enough. And then I also realized, like, I have a weird obsession with hands. Like, I recently realized this. And it's all, like, coming to me now at once. Like, it's kind of scary. Not hands, okay? Not just hands. I don't be, like, looking at people's hands like, oh, let me see your hands. No. Not hands. Hand art. Like, art of hands. If that makes sense. So, like, drawings and stuff. So, yeah. That was another reason I got it. And then, the last thing I love so much. I'm gonna put it on for you right now. Ah, I just smacked myself. Y'all, I love this jacket. It's so nice and thick and soft, and I wish I had all the colors. And it's like the perfect, oh man, I made it staticky. It's like the perfect length. Like, it stops right at your waist or whatever. Don't be staticky. It stops at the perfect place. I like the collar and the zippers, you know, the zippers. I'm doing a lot right now. The zipper right here and all that. It's like a big marshmallow jacket. What was I gonna say? I don't remember. Oh, I'm scared to wear this jacket, honestly, because I am clumsy and messy. Like, I feel like it's already getting dirty and I haven't even worn it yet. Like, this is scary because this is like pure white. Like, there's no way I'm not gonna stain this. But it's okay to take risks sometimes. That's it. That's everything. Right? I think so. But I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. You know what to do. Just do it, please, and thanks.
Know you love it. Know you love that shit. Know you love it.